What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for another video. I have been getting questions and comments about where I get all the parts that I sell. When I do the monthly update videos for you guys, I show you what I've been selling and for how much. And I've been getting questions and comments on that, asking where I get the parts. I've done some videos in the past about this, but I'm going to do another one now in case you guys are new here and have not checked out that video. I think it was about a year ago that I did that. The number one place that I get all these parts from is the body shop that I work at. I am very lucky to be able to work at a body shop, and I have my hands on a lot of damaged parts that are getting thrown out that insurance companies have written for new stuff when the cars get damaged. So realistically, most of the parts that you guys see that I'm selling is from this body shop. And how, if you guys know any body shops, or if you guys can approach any body shops, that you might be able to get your hands on a lot of the same stuff that I do and things that can sell for a lot of money and that are in pretty good condition. The biggest problem with getting something from a body shop, a mechanic shop, or any type of shop secondhand like I do is that everything has some damage or is broken in some sort of way. The insurance companies or customers only replace things when they're broken. So 99% of the stuff that I do have for sale is always damaged. Obviously, I'm going to lose a little bit of money by selling damaged products, but as you can see, for what I sell, some of these still go for a lot of money. The number one big selling thing that you guys can probably get from body shops is headlights. Headlights are my number one thing that I sell, and they make me a lot of money. Headlights are very easily damaged. A tab breaks off, the lens is scuffed, damage like that, a crack in the housing, and insurance companies replace them. Most of these headlights are still very good. They're fixable. People can repair tabs or not use them, and you can still make a lot of money off of them. So if you guys are looking to get parts or wondering, what kind of parts to ask a body shop for, headlights would be my number one thing that I would ask them about. I've never approached a body shop about getting parts from them because I don't need to. So I'm not sure, what to say to them. They might tell you just to look in their dumpster or something like that. Most headlights that are damaged from accidents are 100% working condition. None of the headlights I've ever sold have ever been replaced because something internally wasn't working. It's always because of something on the outside. Like I said, a tab or housing or a lens. So even if you guys do get some parts from a dumpster and headlights and you guys can't check if they work or not, I'm almost guaranteeing that they would work. If they're open to the elements or have big holes in them and it's rained in them, then I would be a little bit weary about that. But usually everything still works. So that is always a good thing to know when you are getting secondhand stuff. The other way to get parts from body shops is when they get used parts, such as doors or tailgates. The used parts come with everything inside. They come with latches and handles, wiring harnesses, window regulators, and all sorts of stuff like that. Most of these things always get thrown out. When I take a used door apart at work, I put everything in a box and I take that stuff home. But every other guy that I work with, they just throw things out. So if you guys are looking for something else, if you guys can get your hands on the window regulators, windows, mirrors, that sort of internal door parts. If they are getting used parts like that, then they are usually just throwing this stuff out. With mechanic shops, I don't know if you guys could probably get too many parts from them. As you guys know, mechanics are usually doing, suspension, engine work, brakes, tires, that sort of thing. They don't really do too much insurance stuff, and, they never do any body work. So I don't know if you could get anything from them. They're usually throwing out stuff that's worn out and that you can't resell. But a body shop is probably the best thing that you guys can look into. Like I said before, I'm not sure how you should go about approaching them. Some people might laugh at you, but if you guys know some people that work, in the industry and you're kind of friendly with them, you never know. If you ask them, they might tell you they don't care, look in the dumpster for parts. So I just wanted to make a quick little video for you guys talking about this. Like I said, I've been getting some comments and some questions about why I have the parts that I have and how do I get them. So body shops, I would look into that if you have not already. If you have any further questions or want me to go into any further detail about this, just let me know. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you, and I will see you next time.